And I just saw a bear. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Pretty sure I passed this tree already.
Maybe I should just become a forest ghost. Wait, where's my phone now? Why does this moss feel squishy? My legs were NOT built for cardio. I heard that. I'm not alone. What the? WHO put a sign here. Okay, if I die here, tell my followers I tried.
Guys, the forest has no 4G signal.
Seriously, why do animals always steal my stuff?
Oh no, the phone's dead too? Perfect.
Today I'll show you how to make a survival fire.
My handmade bridge is ready.
This is the ultimate jungle ladder.
Forest throne, fit for a king. Behold, the jungle hammock.